Introducing SWELLPRUFE, a next-generation below-grade waterproofing membrane from GCP, the global leader in building envelope solutions. SWELLPRUFE brings together GCP's fully bonded membrane technology with a layer of encapsulated bentonite, creating a dynamic seal that delivers powerful, smart protection where it matters most. The membrane contains 3 engineered layers designed for performance and easy installation. The top layer forms a continuous bond protecting the slab. The middle layer is a rubberized asphalt waterproofing barrier that blocks water penetration. And the bottom layer houses the encapsulated bentonite, specially designed to prevent premature swelling and wash-off. Here's how it works. When water makes contact, SWELLPRUFE expands, sealing any potential punctures or damage. That swelling action forms a tight active barrier that defends foundations and other critical structures from water intrusion. What's unique about SWELLPRUFE is that the bentonite layer is positioned only where it's needed, facing the soil and groundwater, while the fully bonded layer protects and keeps the concrete dry. Specially designed overlaps seal through hydration, allowing mechanical fastening for fast installation and gasketing against water intrusion. Unlike conventional bentonite geotextile mats, SWELLPRUFE forms a continuous bond to concrete that prevents lateral water migration, even under slabs and behind blindside walls. For contractors, it's a game changer. The non-slip surface means safer job sites, faster installs, and fewer delays, even in wet conditions. It's lightweight, easy to cut, and has no release liner, so they're quickly laid out with kickout rolls. If your next project requires bentonite-based waterproofing, choose SWELLPRUFE from GCP, the industry's trusted leader in below-grade solutions. For additional product info, visit gcpat.com/SWELLPRUFE.